Okay, hi guys. This homework help will help you with interpreting the remainder. So all those problems on this page have to do with division, so keep that in mind. However, the answer is not necessarily the answer to the division problem. You have to really carefully read the question to see what they're asking for. So for example, number 2, they're asking how many centerpieces can she make? Okay, remember, she has to make full centerpieces. So if there is a remainder, you need to think what to do with that remainder. Is that remainder important or not? Also, make sure that in your answers you write the correct units. So for example, for number 2, the answer must be a certain amount of centerpieces. Okay. Number 3, on the fifth grade student class picnic, 50 students share 75 sandwiches equally. How many sandwiches does each student get? Well, keep in mind that children don't want to throw those sandwiches away. So everything that is left over, you have to share equally. So follow the same example for this one as what's done on number 1. Okay? Remember how to make that remainder to be a fraction. Then number 4, the question is, how many containers do you need to hold all the seedlings? So even if there's a remainder, those seedlings still need to get into some kind of a container. So keep that in mind. The problem-solving ones are exactly the same thing here. Make sure you write the correct units at the end. Number 5 is how many pages will her sticker book have? Well, remember, all of them have to fit on the pages. If there is any leftover, you have to have a next page for it. Okay, let's look at the second page. The second page, the same number 1 and 2, you need to show me your work. How are you doing it? How are you getting your answers? Okay, number 3, it says Jason earns $196 each week bagging groceries, and he saves half of his earnings each week. How much money does Jason save per week? So you need to figure out what is half of 196. Okay, Desiree swims 25 minutes each day. How many minutes does she spend swimming laps in 14 days? So she does 25 each day, and she does that 14 times. Steve is participating in a bike-a-thon, and he will bike 144 miles per day for 5 days. So he does 144 5 times. And number 6, Cassie is building a patio. He has 136 bricks. He wants the patio to have 8 rows with the same number of bricks. How many bricks can you put in each row? So this would be 136. One side is gonna be 8, and you need to figure out the other side for it. Okay? I hope this helps.